Hello, good day everyone. So this video lesson is all about the derivative of a function. So the derivative of a function y is equal to f of x of a variable x is a measure of the rate at which the value y of the function changes with respect to the change of the variable x. So it is called the derivative of f with respect to y. Okay? And the differentiation, okay, tinatawag natin, it is the action of computing a derivative. Okay? So these are the following symbol, or you can denote the derivative of a function using this um, variables, okay, or symbols. So we have, ayan, yung f natin, prime, always may prime siya. F prime, y prime, dy over, ayan, dx, prime pa rin siya, dyan sa baba. So, ayan yung mga ways on how to denote our derivative of a function. So, let's have the basic derivative rules first. Okay? So, we have here first the constant function rule. So, ito, ang ibig sabihin lang niyan, okay, any constant, okay, ang equivalent derivative niya or ang derivative niya ay always 0. Okay? Like for example, we have a function f of x is equal to 5. Pag kinuha mo yung derivative niyan, so f prime of x, susulat mo siya as ganyan, that is 0. Okay? Another, y is equal to negative 1 half. Okay? So, ang derivative niyan, y prime is equal to 0. So, any constant. Pag sinabi natin constant, yung term na walang kasamang variable. Okay? So, any constant. Any constant, its derivative is 0. Okay? Next is identity function rule. So, ito naman, ang ibig sabihin lang nito, okay, kung ano yung kasama ng variable natin sa isang term, ang derivative niya ay kung ano yung kasamang number lang na nandoon. Okay, like for example, f of x is equal to um, 5x, for example. So, ang derivative niyan ay yung 5. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Okay? So, for example, y is equal to x. O, anong derivative niyan? Y prime is equal to, since may 1 dyan, 1. Okay? So, yun lang siya. So, kung anong kasama ng variable natin doon, ayun yung ating derivative. Okay? Next is the power rule. So, exponent naman siya. Paano pag may exponent? Okay? So, ang gagawin niyo kapag may exponent, like for example, f of x is equal to x raised to 5. So, ang mangyayari dyan, yung derivative natin, ibababa ninyo, itatabi ninyo, or parang magiging numerical coefficient siya ng variable natin. So, 5, copy nyo lang yung variable, and then, minusan nyo ng isa yung exponent, original exponent natin. Okay? Pag binaba nyo siya. So, magiging ang final answer natin, ang derivative ng uh, function natin na x raised to 5 ay f prime of x is equal to 5x raised to 4. Okay? So, again, ibababa lang yung exponent and babawasan ng isa. Okay? Next is the constant multiple rule. Okay? Dito naman, parang combination lang siya ng mga nauna. So, for example, f of x is equal to 5x cube, for example. O, ayan. So, yung 5 natin dyan, okay, i-copy lang natin yan. Okay, kasi 5x siya, 'di ba? So, 5, tapos yung x, I mean yung 3 natin, ibababa natin. So, times 3, ibababa natin siya dito. Then, x raised to 3 minus 1. Binawasan natin ng isa yung ating exponent. So, we have 5 times 3 is 15x raised to 2 or 15x squared. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Combination. So, let's have more example. Okay? For this one, it is a constant. Gagamitan natin siya ng constant rule. Okay? So, f of x is equal to 9. Okay? Ang derivative niyan, for number 1, that is f prime of x is equal to, okay, 0. Next is f of x is equal to negative 4. So, f prime of x is equal to 0 ulit. So, always. Okay? So, next, f prime of x is equal to 1/2. That is still 0. So, any constant, basta kahit anong constant yan, 0 lagi. So, dito, f prime of x is equal to 0 pa rin. Kahit ilan pa yan, kahit 1 million pa yan. Next is f prime of x. Negative square root of 5 is still 0. Basta any constant that is always equal to 0. Next, let's have this one naman. Ito naman, identity rule naman ito. Okay, so, number 1, so f prime of x is equal to 2. Okay, so kung ano yung kasama nung variable natin. Okay, next, f prime of x is equal to negative 3. Okay, then, next we have, okay, ito pwede natin siyang i-simplify. So, f prime of x is equal to 4 over 2 or simply 2. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then, we have here, ayan. So, f prime of x is equal to, ayan. So, copy natin yung 1/2. Tapos, yung 6x natin, siya yung kasama. So, 6 yan. So, we have here 6 over 2 or 3. Okay? So, yun yung ating derivative. Next, 5. F prime of x is equal to negative 10 divided by 5. So, that is negative 2. Okay? So, yan lang mismo yung ating um, derivative. So, kung ano yung kasama ng x natin. Okay? For identity function rule. Next is, ito naman. So, power rule naman ito. So, dito, okay, f prime of x, ibababa lang natin yung exponent, copy yung variable, tapos minus 1 yung original exponent. So, final natin dito, 2x raised to 1 or simply 2x. Okay? This is number 1. Next is number 2. So, f prime of x is equal to, ibaba natin yung 5x, tapos 5 minus 1. So, we have here 5x raised to 4. So, ganun lang yung power rule natin. Next, f prime of x is equal to x cubed. So, ibababa natin yung 3x, then 3 minus 1. So, we have 3x squared. Next, number 4. So, f prime of x is equal to 7x raised to 7 minus 1. So, we have 7x raised to 6. Okay, then number 5, last number, f prime of x is equal to 10x raised to 10 minus 1. So, we have 10x raised to 9. Okay, so ganun lang siya. Ibababa niyo yung exponent, then bawasan niyo ng isa. That will be the derivative of that function. Next, we have the constant multiple naman. So, ito sample naman siya sa constant multiple natin. So, number 1, we have here f prime of x is equal to 4 times, ibaba yung 2 and then yung x natin, x raised to 2 minus 1. So, the final derivative here will be 8x. 8x raised to 1 or simply 8x. Okay? Next, number 2. So, f prime of x is equal to, ito siya, negative 7x cubed. So, 7, or I mean negative 7 times, ibaba yung 3. So, times 3, then x raised to 3 minus 1. So, it will be negative 21x squared. So, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay? Next, number 3, f prime of x is equal to 1/2 times 5x raised to 5 minus 1. So, we have 1/2 times 5, that is 5 over 2. X raised to 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay? Next, number 4, we have f prime of x is equal to 9x. So, 9 lang yan. Okay? Kasi yung exponent ng x ay 1. So, 9 times 1, ganun lang din. Okay? So, 9 na siya. Parang nahalo din siya para siyang identity. Okay? Number 5, f prime of x is equal to negative 3 times, ibaba natin yung 4, then x raised to 4 minus 1. So, the final answer here would be negative 12x cubed. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Combination lang siya ng mga nauna. Next, let's have this one. So, still find the derivative of the following function. So, in here naman, we have 2 to 3 terms. Okay? Kanina, isang term lang or monomial lang yung ating given. So, ngayon, we have binomial and trinomial. So, in here, number 1, we have y is equal to 5x plus 1. Okay? So, the derivative of that, so 5x, anong derivative ng 5x? We have 5. Then, yung 1 natin, 0. So, 5 plus 0, the final derivative would be, we have 5. Okay? Next, number 2. So, we have 5x cubed. Okay? So, the derivative of that, 5x cubed, is equal to, copy nyo yung 5. Tapos, we have 3x. So, 3 minus 1. Then, minus 3. So, ibaba nyo yung 2. Copy yung x. So, 2 minus 1. So, the final derivative would be 5 times 3, 15x. Then, 3 minus 1 is 2. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6x. So, 2 minus 1 is 1 or simply yan na. So, the derivative of this function number 2 is 15x squared minus 6x. Okay? Next, number 3. So, f prime of x is equal to, ayan. So, we have 6. Copy natin yung 6. Then, times 4 x raised to 4 minus 1. Then, negative 12 or minus 12 times 3 x raised to 2, I mean 3 minus 1. So, isa-isay natin. 3 minus 1 plus, constant, we have 0. So, we have here, f prime of x is equal to 24x cubed minus, negative 12 times 3 is yan, negative 36x squared. Tapos 0, so wala na. So, the derivative of this function number 3 is f prime of x is equal to 24x cubed minus 36x squared. Okay, so you just have to remember, or you just have to follow the derivative rules. Okay, so next, number 4, we have the cube root of x minus 3x cubed. So, dito, i-arrange muna natin siya sa standard form. Okay? Or, sige, kahit hindi na siya. Pero if you wish or if you want to, arrange lang naman. So, f prime of x, so pwede natin siyang i-arrange. I-arrange ko muna siya. Okay? It's equal to negative 3x cubed plus the cube root of square root of x. So, the f prime of x here is, ayan. Okay. So, since meron siyang cube root pala, kailangan muna natin siyang i-rewrite into fraction. So, i-copy natin ito kasi walang problema. Ito naman, class, you remember that you can write this one as this one, x raised to 1/3. So, equal lang sila. So, yung cube root ng 3, equal lang siya sa x raised to 1/3. Okay? So, you have to write it that one pa para makuha nyo yung derivative. The next, f prime, kunin na natin yung derivative. F prime of x is equal to negative 3 times 3 x raised to 3 minus 1. And then, plus, we have 1/3. Then, yun. 1/3 x raised to 1/3 minus 1. Okay? So, ang magiging final answer natin, simplify natin, f prime of x is equal to negative 9x squared plus 1/3 x raised to negative 2/3. So, pag minus nyo yan, 1/3 minus 1, that is negative 2/3. So, yan na yung answer natin for number 4. Okay? Next is number 5. So, kasya pa ba dito? So, let's have number 5 here. Pagkasyahin natin. So, 3/4 or y is equal to 3/4 x cubed minus 1/2 x raised to 4. So, in here, y prime is equal to, ayan. So, dito, sige, kahit hindi na natin siya i-arrange, okay, na into standard form. So, in here, we have 3/4 times 3x raised to 3 minus 1. Okay? Then, minus 1/2 times 4x raised to 4 minus 1. Then, simplify natin. So, 3/4 times 3 is, we have there 9 over 4. 9 over 4x squared minus 4 times 1/2 is 2, right? So 1 times 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2x cubed. So this will be our final answer for number 5. So y prime is equal to 9 over 4x squared minus 2x cubed. Okay? So again, you just have to remember, madali lang ito kung paano hanapin yung derivative, basta alam ninyo yung basic rules natin. Okay? So that's it for this video lesson. Hope naintindihan. Thank you!